some of the most recognized modern constructs in the United States. And they're also the safest. What they all have in common? Bartkowski Life Safety. Featured twice in Inc. magazine as one of America's fastest growing companies, Bartkowski Life Safety is a nationally certified women business enterprise. At the helm is CEO Lauren Sustek.
We pride ourselves on being best in class. We have a proactive approach in addressing all of our clients' concerns and ensuring that our clients have a professional experience from start to finish without cutting corners or compromising our integrity.
24 states and counting. Bartkowski's mission is to prepare now for the future. Whether it's fire stops and smoke sealants or perimeter containment and envelope insulation, they create custom life safety solutions for every building across the country. Headquartered in South Holland, Illinois, with a satellite office in San Francisco, August 2020 marks 10 years in business for Bartkowski Life Safety. During this time, they've served over 135 customers, completed 548 projects, and protected 58 million square footage. For more information on partnering with Bartkowski Life Safety on your next project, go to bartlsc.com.